Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we'll see how to manage your subscription in Zeo Route Planner. We'll cover 3 scenarios. What you see during the free trial. What happens when the trial expires. What the screen looks like after upgrading to a paid plan. Let's get started. After signing up, you'll start with a free trial. Even during the free trial, you can upgrade your subscription at any time to ensure uninterrupted access to premium features and additional driver seats as your business scales. To manage your plan, navigate to Plans and Payments. Here you can view all the plans offered by Zeo and choose the one that best fits your needs. Route Optimization. This plan helps you improve delivery efficiency and includes route reports to analyze performance, core route optimization features, access to historical routes, customizable preferences for route planning, route management. This includes everything in route optimization, plus optimization for multiple vehicles, a driver-friendly app for better control, full access to preferences and customization, stores and favorites for frequent stops, custom branding to personalize your operations, fleet management. This is Zeo's most advanced plan and includes everything in route management, CRM integrations with platforms like HubSpot and Shopify, full API and webhook support for real-time automation, recurring route creation for daily, weekly, or monthly schedules, skill-based and zone-based routing for smarter assignments. You can select any plan and click subscribe. At this stage, you'll be prompted to make a payment. Choose the number of driver seats, add your card, and pay securely. Routing and premium features will require a subscription. Your subscription is updated instantly, and you can continue routing without downtime. After purchasing a plan, a yearly subscription plan in this case, this is what you'll see on the screen. Active subscription plan, plan validity date, total plan amount, total number of seats purchased. You'll also see seats purchases, seats assigned to drivers, and seats available to assign. You can upgrade plan or buy more seats, and assign seats to drivers at any time. Let's check out Assign Seats to Drivers tab. You can assign and unassigned seats bought to drivers. Click Update Subscription. The Payments History tab shows you the dates when you bought which type of subscription and for how many drivers. Also, their validity dates. To downgrade your plan, you can send a request from this section. Select Cancel Subscription, enter number of seats you want to cancel, and the reason you want to cancel your subscription, and customer support will contact you. You can change your payment card. View your complete payment history, and upgrade your plan for more features. To manage add-ons, go to the Add-ons tab from the left taskbar. Available add-ons. Message trigger for all users starting at $30 per month. Send a quick update to all customers who have deliveries scheduled for the day. Route started alert at $100 per month. Automatically let customers know as soon as the driver starts the route. Upcoming stop alert at $150 per month. Notify customers when their delivery is coming up next so they can be prepared. One-day advance route alert at $150 per month. Inform customers a day in advance about their scheduled delivery at a time you choose. Completed stop alert at $150 per month. Send a confirmation message to customers once their delivery is completed. You can track add-on usage and view related payment history using the Usage Details option in the top right corner. This is what the Usage Details tab looks like. Zeo also offers message packs to help you stay in touch with your customers as your delivery volume grows. You can choose from flexible options based on your needs, from 500 SMS for $30 per month to 4,000 SMS $160 per month. By default, 250 messages per driver are automatically refilled every month, so you always have a base limit to get started. From this section, you can also recommend add-ons and upgrade your messaging capacity anytime as your operations scale. For more information, common questions are answered in the Zeo Fleet FAQ. For additional guidance, visit the Zeo FAQ page to explore billing plans and feature-related information. You can reach out to Zeo's support team at support@zeoauto.in, and that's how you can easily manage your subscription in Zeo Route Planner. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.